Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Afifa, from English education student, and the honorable to our lecturer, Dr. Ulaifia MPD. And I would like to present my proposal. The title is the influence of TikTok usage on English vocabulary mastery among second semester students. So the background of the study, the rise of digital age now is very significantly transformed with the various aspects of modern life, including education, and one of the notable change integration of the social media for learning vocabulary especially. The social media is like the most popular now is TikTok. And TikTok, a short form video application that has gained massive popularity among young people worldwide. And originally launched in China, and it's called Douyin, and in 2016. And for the second semester students in English education program, vocabulary mastery is a crucial component for the academic development. So we move to the problem identification. The problem identification is TikTok commonly used by students and include educational content. It's a rule as a structured learning tool, remaining questionable. Limit local students have analyzed its direct impact on vocabulary acquisition in formal education setting. And for the scope of the study is this research focus on the student in the second semester of the English language education of FKIP UIR, and who use TikTok to super English vocabulary learning. It evolved vocabulary development through pre-test and post-test for until 6 weeks, comparing students using TikTok and not using TikTok for traditional education. And for the research question, I have there are two research questions. The first is how does use TikTok is that can be influenced for learning vocabulary mastery, and the second question is what is the difference for the student who use the TikTok for learning English vocabulary and who doesn't use TikTok for improve learning vocabulary mastery. And for the recent objective is to analyze the influence of students who use TikTok on English vocabulary mastery and to compare vocabulary achievement between TikTok and user and non-user TikTok for education. And for the significance of the study is for the student that can be provide engaging and accessible vocabulary learning tool, and for education that can be enhanced understanding of student digital learning English, and for the institution that can be guide development for the modern technology and digital, and for the researcher that in digital language learning over baseline data for longitudinal education technology research. So for the systematic of the research is okay. Next we move to the chapter 2 is literature review. For the literature review, the theoretical foundation for the vocabulary mastery is refer to collection of word, noun, and used by an individual. According to Nation in 2013, that mentioned vocabulary knowledge include both receptive and understanding and productive, and students who use the vocabulary to English. And the type of vocabulary mastery for the Nation 2013 that has defined vocabulary mastery have 4 types. The first is high frequency vocabulary and academic vocabulary, technical vocabulary, low frequency vocabulary. And for the TikTok as digital learning platform. So TikTok short video for make it ideal for micro learning and to interactive and personal content delivery promotes learning engagement. So future search feature in TikTok like subtitle and repetition like share and comment that can be improved their student to improve their English vocabulary mastery. So for the theoretical foundation of social media in education, I choose like Bandura. Social learning theory is learning through observation and invitation when they use the TikTok for learning, and from the Vygotsky, social constructivism is that knowledge is built through social interaction, and from the Simon's connectivism is like learning happens through network and digital interaction. For the previous research on TikTok and vocabulary, there are two significant research that can be improved, that can be influenced using TikTok, improve vocabulary mastery from the GESEC and Trend 2022 is found significant improvement when using the TikTok improve the vocabulary retention, and from the Ahmad and Kasawan in the 2024, TikTok enhanced both individual and collaborative learning. For the framework of TAF, is this study hypothesized the systematic engagement with TikTok for English vocabulary learning enhanced vocabulary mastery. The framework like independent variable TikTok use and dependent variable is English vocabulary. Okay, the research hypothesis, there are two research hypotheses. The first is null hypothesis, is TikTok use has no significant effect to improve vocabulary mastery. And the alternative hypothesis is TikTok use significant improve vocabulary mastery. And next we move to the chapter 3 is research methodology. I use a research set is quantitative research design by quasi-experimental design with pre-test and post-test with the control group. Experimental group with the experimental group compare with students who use the TikTok, and with the control group compare with traditional learning where students don't use TikTok. And duration treatment is 4 until 6 weeks. For the variable and operational definition, independent variable or X variable is structured TikTok usage, and for the dependent variable is Y variable and vocabulary mastery. And the population example, the target is 18 students, all second semester students of FKIP, and then the sampling technique is total population sampling with a random group assignment. The data collection method is pretest vocabulary test, pretest vocabulary test of PPL, and the productive vocabulary test PPT, intervention mandatory usage, log content diverse reflection survey. And for the post test, I use same instrument like the post pretest. And the data analysis, I use the descriptive statistic like a mean, median, and frequency. And for the inferential statistic, I use the independent t-test and monitor parrot test and ANOVA. I use the software is SPSS and or RStudy. The significant level 0.05. And the research location timeline, maybe a location, the location research is in the University Islam Riau. The timeline have 4 until 6 weeks. The research began in the September 2025. Maybe until here, maybe until here. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.